Good morning! Welcome back to Pacham Daily. Today we're going to cook Lechon Ulo. First step, wash the porky. Add some crushed garlic. Add pepper. Add some bay leaves or dahon ng laurel. Add some salt. Turn on the stove. Boil for an hour. Let it dry for 30 minutes. Let's cook the porky. Cut dry the pork. Let's make a basting mixture. Add the soy sauce. Add pepper. Add some minced garlic. Add the sinigang mix. Mix well, papel. Paste the porky. Looking good! Put it in the oven, 180 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Checking for doneness. If you smell what the rock is cooking, and voila, Lechon Ulo. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye, Pacham Daily.